Today we are at River Grove Park outside of Humble, Texas. Beautiful place here. It's our second day here. Fortunately, can't camp, but
Be nice if you have the fishing pole and have kayak.
Oh, kayak, fishing pole, ideal here. In fact, the dogs need to get out of the car quickly. Right, Harry?
Let's go.
Okay.
You look at Hannah.
Anna, careful. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Hannah, we go between the gap.
Jason, these things are interesting. I don't even know what they are. They're just poking up out of the ground. Unless they're roots. Maybe that's what they are. They're roots.
I'm sure someone knows.
Somebody knows.
Nobody knows.
I guess if they dug down there, they could kind of.
No, Thailand we call Thailand we call something like this one. One same. I don't know, but I never see this. Wow. A lot of the turtle.
Yep. Hey, little turtles.
Oi.
Hey, little turtles.
And have the one still swim.
Yeah.
Come
on, Harry, Hannah. Who do you call Hannah, huh? Right there, get the ball, look. He said, I'm not going in that water.
Cross the board.
Yeah. Looks like he's fishing.
I say cross the board or cross a bird.
Don't get too close to the bird.
Oh, you see?
Yeah.
Wait, this fish too. Oh, Tilak have the small baby turtle.
Oh, right there, yeah.
Here.
Oh, yeah, look at him.
Wait,
Here he saw him.
Hi, Hannah. Harry, you see?
Are those more down there? Oh, yeah, there's two of them down there, little babies.
I think have a lot of fish here.
Little babies there.
Yeah.
I see us. You can see her.
You see?
Yeah, she's just so munch-eyed, you know.
Mm-hmm.
She's like, oh yeah, my dad could do it, I could do it too. Anna, be careful.
Oh, Hannah, this smell is not good for you.
Paint red again?
Yes.
Yeah, I like red.
Because the white come out so easy. Still not the quality, I think. Really? You smell that? It's not good for you. Beautiful. This for playground, right?
No, it's for exercise. Try
Oh,
it.
really?
You try it.
Ready?
Yep. 10, 2,
2,
3.
Oh, when fast hurt my butt.
4. Right here. It's different. It's different. Hold on.
What can I do? Push
You pull.
like this?
Yep. And you're gonna lift your body up. Oh no, you push it. Push your body up. There. See, you kind of have to pick up your feet. Yeah. Push your body up.
I cannot carry myself. How I can do myself?
Cross your legs.
Ui, you're too strong. I cannot do it. I'm not kidding. I think my arms not strong enough.
5. Yes. All right, let's see. Try. Hannah, watch out. What in the world?
Oh, they do like this, right? 1, 2.
Real music. Yeah. Where's Hannah? This one. That's good.
Oh, this good.
Yeah, that's good, huh? Up. Stay. Stay.
Harry, come here. Harry, come.
Come on, Harry.
Harry, come. Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy.
What about Heather?
Girl, Heather.
Heather, come here.
Come on, Heather. Walk.
Heather, come here.
Walk.
Heather, come. Come on, look. Huh?
Walk, Heather. Walk. Come on, Heather. She's gonna jump over the other one. Okay, call her.
Hannah, come. Hannah, come.
Over in the water.
Hannah, think, what?
All right.
What, Grandpa? It's good. They have the bridge you walk past here.
Okay, we're heading out of the park now. We're gonna go back to Planet Fitness.
We spend time here all day.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Need.
I made some bean dip, and we're gonna go back to Planet Fitness, do some exercising, and then probably we'll sleep at Walmart tonight. And tomorrow night we'll go back to Lake Houston Wilderness Park.
And I want me to
And we'll
cross
have a
more.
barbecue tomorrow night.
Yes.
Barbecue some sweet potatoes. And what else?
And I make some my Thai food barbecue, not barbecue for.
Oh yeah. Okay. Sounds good.
Look good.
Yeah.
And Heather is close to youเลย.
All right, so we're gonna have tostadas with beans and meat, onions, tomatoes, cilantro, lettuce, sour cream, and cheese. Wow.
Wow.
It's gonna be good.
Do it.
All right, get out the plates, honey. I think I gotta give Hannah some more food because Harry started eating her food.
But Hannah keep look at you.
I know, she wants my food. Okay, and we need one for sour cream too, honey.
This car.
Yeah.
And you want beef, right?
Mm-hmm. We could probably just use this thing in here, honey. Even though we'll probably throw it away afterwards.
Oh.
Probably could have used a big spoon there.
No, use a small one.
Why is that?
Because the big one you can scoop all the beef and not have for me.
That's all right, honey. As long as the driver gets fed.
Okay.
Some onions. Oh, that looks good. Some tomato. That looks good. You got the end of the tomato there, honey. I don't like that part.
I can eat.
Some lettuce.
Yes.
A
Lime.
little cilantro on top.
You put cheese already?
Not yet. Put that last. A little lime.
I put cheese for you.
Thank you.
More?
That's probably good. That's good. All right. And time to eat. Look at that, baby.
Wow. You make for me, right?
Yeah. Yeah, just
No.
Okay. Okay. Scared me. Mmm.
Wow.
That is so good.
My turn.
Mm-hmm.
What you put first?
Beans.